Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the wonderful Pacific Northwest in that humble little town of Belfair, Washington, or Hickville, USA, as I love to call where I live. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is my May 2026 Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 7, everybody. Thank you all for joining me today and tuning in to see what I have come up with. So this is going to be a quick paper pumpkin alternative for you all. So this kit is called Sparkling Celebrations, and some of you have mentioned that this kit is a bit challenging and that the best thing about it you feel is the same as me, the envelopes. But today we're going to use this card base right here, at least the front of it. So you could have made 3 of this design, and this design, and you would have the 3 different wonderful envelopes to create with if you like to do alternatives. Down here, this is a QR code that would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed, a visual of everything that comes in the kit. Over here, it lists those coordinating colors. Here we have the stamped images of our stamps. We have You Are Invited, the Fireworks, Time to Celebrate, the Ink Blobby Tree Topper, the Stars, and Wishing You Happiness. Now, let's go on to our wonderful scene dies. These are the add-ons for April, May, and June of 2026. Now, if you are missing your insert piece, please feel free to get a quarter sheet of scrap cardstock, printer paper, construction paper, or a half a sheet. Ink your stamps up while they're still on the sheet they came in, and you can stamp them however I did this. This one goes like this. You can stamp them like that. This one, I believe, went like this. And then write down the month, the year, the paper pumpkin, and the name. And then you have an insert piece to keep your stamps with. So we are going to dive right into it because we are past video number 5, because videos 1 through 5 of my alternatives, I always share with you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we just kind of move right along. So today I'm bringing in the little stamp set. Love this one, called Lighting the Way. We are going to be using Thanks for Lighting the Way. You are all kinds of wonderful. Now, I'm not going to stamp any of the little lightning bugs, but I die cut 3 lightning bugs, and I'm going to be using some gold yellow, it's called Sunflower, I believe, stickily glitter glue to light my little lightning bugs up. And this little image here, yeah, we're well past the stamps in the stamp set. There's not much in there, but we are going to add a few little black stars and maybe just the top of the tree. I am trying to incorporate the stamps in there as best I can. So we, like I said, we also are going to be using the lamppost and the string of lights for this kit. So I do have a way I do things. I really like to stamp first. I don't always get the chance to, but we're going to go ahead and stamp. Now I'm going to get a lightning bug. Now I'm going to get the lightning bug. So we're just going to use the big old lightning bug here. And we're just going to stamp in. Do I want Memento? Yes, we're going to use black obsidian ink. I don't want the, yes, I do not want the Memento. I'm looking for my other coaster, which I cannot find. So we're going to use this one. There's a big old lightning bug and a big old lightning bug right there. I'm not going to color them in. I'm just going to leave that. This card is, it is not 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4, everybody. This is 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5.5, and it's going to open this way. Surprise, surprise, right? Did I surprise you all? It's because it was just one that was in my case of cards and it was cut this way. So I grabbed this one, and this is the one we're going to use. That's just how it works sometimes. So this one says, oh, this is going on the front. So let's get that done. I want to put this right here. Ta-da! Yes. And I'm going to set that where I'll never find it again. And then we want to add some lightning bugs I'm wondering, maybe not. We're going to have to see. I thought about that one, but maybe not. Let's add this one to the inside. Maybe we'll add that one to the inside of the card. Yes, we're going to do that. You are all kinds of wonderful. And we'll take our little lightning bugs that are flying off into the sunset. I'm not sure how they're supposed to go, so we're just going to give them a swoosh like that. Ta-da! Okay. My sound effects are so cool, right? Now we're going to bring back our sky, and we're going to give ourselves some stars. I know we have stars, but we're going to give ourselves some really different stars. Because why? Because we can, and we have a stamp that needs to be used, right? That's good. And then we have our treetop, our ink blobby stamp, which has somehow disappeared on me. I just showed it to you. I said we were going to use this stamp. No, no, no. My good. Oh, it's underneath my little, the blobby stamp. The ink blobby, which is supposed to be treetops. All right, so I'm going to start in the middle here. I mean, it does look like a treetop, but it also looks like a bunch of... Now that we have that one, I'm going to push this one down there to make it look like in the background, and I'm going to bring this one here. Got to ink it up again. Smush, 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 smush. Juicy, juicy, juicy ink pad. This one here. Right there. And over here as well. So now we actually did what they did on this card. Let me share with you. They did it in green. We did it in black. Silhouette stamping, I'm telling you, for me is how to use these. That's just me. That's just what I see. So next, no dimensionals on this card. I don't see a need for it on this particular card. We are going to use our light post, maybe not, hopefully. Coming to a theater near you, I feel like. Which I think this weekend we are taking Hank to the drive-in when it opens. Well, it is already open, but school lets out. He told me that we all thought school was going to be let out this weekend. It is not. We have an extra week. So there's our light post. I am not adding those big light bulbs. I'm not sure what I can use those light bulbs for, or if I even will use the light bulbs. They're not my favorite thing in the kit. Let's just be upfront and honest with you. I don't like them. I don't like them clustered around the light post. I would never wrap a bunch of light bulbs around a light post. Wouldn't do it. Never will do it. I might take little tiny Christmas lights and wind them down around a light post, but not great big light bulbs. Just won't do it. So I have lightning bugs. Wait till you see them. They came out so cute. So we have one here. We're going to place them and then glue them in place. So one here. And this one is going to be right there. So this one I'm going to glue down first. And then I will put the stickly glitter glue on his bottom to make him light up. I believe that all lightning bugs that light up are all female. Of course, if that is true, it would make sense because girls like to sparkle and shine, right? We don't have lightning bugs here. I wish we did. I've seen them in Georgia, down south. All right, we're going to glue this onto our card base. I probably should have done that first. Here I am. I'm like, oh, we're done. Yes, we are. Get my card base here. Glue this down. And I think that came out beautiful. Actually, I think it came out really, really nice. I need to just try to tack the little... I want to use the stamp set again, lighting the way. I have another idea in mind, but I need to do a little bit more work. So I'm not sure if it'll be the next video when I have a little bit more time on my hands to create, but there's an idea kicking around in my head that I want to do. So there's my envelope, my card. Thanks for lighting the way. We did use elements from the kit. We used the light post. We used the front of the card base. We used the inky blobby tree stamp, right? But sadly we used other sentiments because the sentiments from the kit, they're very limited, but they do serve a purpose for what they were designed. They just don't suit my needs, and we used the little stars. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye bye for now, everyone.